gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today we're going to do something a little bit different because my brother is getting married. Yeah, he's doing that. And I don't know what to wear for the wedding. I'm going to be doing a reading in church. So I've got a wedding outfit to pull together. Don't really know what I'm doing. Haven't bought much for this. Kind of true, kind of a lie. We'll get into that in a second. But really, I'm going to be using you guys as a sounding board for pulling together my outfit. I want your feedback. I need your help. Yes, the wedding is imminent. It is a November wedding. It is a bit drizzly. It's a little bit chilly. It's not a summer wedding, which kind of makes things a little bit more difficult. Summer weddings, very easy, kind of pull together a pretty light coloured frock or something like that. I have a few things restricting me, if you like, because the weather is one of them. The weather is definitely going to impact what I choose, but also, I mean, I've pulled out a couple of frocks, but I'm not really a frock girl, so I'm looking more for suit type wear. The instructions that came with the invite say lounge suits, so I guess that goes for girls as well as it goes for boys. So I shall probably be wearing trousers and a jacket. I've pulled out a few things here. This is a drying hanger thing that I use for ironing mostly, but it comes in handy for this kind of thing as well. So I've picked out a few things here. I've got a couple of frocks. I've got a jumpsuit. I'm really not feeling those because, as I said, I'm not really into wearing frocks. I've got a couple of plain shirts, some trousers, got a bit of sparkle going on there, and I've got my jackets. Now, I have bought this shirt, this new shirt from Mint Velvet. Love, love, love the pattern on it. Love, love, love the sleeves on it. Look at those sleeves, look at those cuffs. And I love that it's a little bit more fitted than my looser plain shirts. Don't really love the lapels on it there, but you know, it is what it is. But I really wanted to shop my wardrobe, shop my closet, more than just go out and buy a whole load of new stuff that I'm only going to wear once, because I already have some stuff here that I've only worn once. I've picked out a small selection of bags. It's probably more of a selection of bags than the clothing selection, if I'm honest. So these are the bags that I'll be trying things on with, and that includes this new Louis that I've just unboxed and shared with you. So this is where we're really going to test the metal and see if she's a keeper or not. But the thing that really came out of thinking about what I was going to wear for the wedding was that I really wanted to wear my colibris, and preferably my pink ones. I've also got my black and brown colibris, and I've also got my Kurt Geigers with the little glittery eyes on. Probably those will be more for the after party. The invite instructions did say feel free to add a little sparkle to your outfit, although top to toe sequins, the lion warned me against that. He said, are you the bride? Do you want everyone to be looking at you like you're the bride? He's got a point, but he said that he will fully and wholeheartedly support me if I want to change into my sparkly trousers for a bit of a boogie on the dance floor. The lighting is terrible. It's so dark and drizzly outside and rainy and windy and horrible. I've got the overhead light on as well, so we'll see how that goes when it comes to the actual mod shots. So I'm going to start putting some clothes on and then we will see what we like. Forgot to say, makeup and hair, don't really know what I'm going to be doing just yet. Probably quite light in the makeup department, probably just a line and some mascara, but with a hot pink lip. I'm thinking that's what I'm feeling. I will be painting my nails pink. And in terms of jewellery, I've got this is my Double Happiness diamond pendant, which my stepmom had made for us. So all the girls will be wearing this for my brother's wedding. And I might switch out a ring for like this Swarovski sparkly little dome ring. I need a cameraman for this one. First look, classic black and gold. Thinking gold Aspinal of London Soho clutch. This will stand up on its own, so that's really handy for putting down on the floor in church or putting on the table at dinner for the wedding breakfast. Or I've got my Fendi mini baguette because she's back from her repair as an option here. This jacket is from Modern Rarity. It's kind of an asymmetric tuxedo jacket, so I've got one big lapel, that's the word I was looking for, one big lapel here, and then this one doesn't have a lapel. My belt, this little skinny belt, is just a cheap and cheerful one that I got from Primark years ago. Trousers are autographed by Marks and Sparks. They've got this lovely little pattern on them, and I'm just wearing my dark brown and black collar briefs. What do we think outfit number 1? Do we think this could work? I think it looks sharp, I think it looks crisp, I think it looks much more evening dress. I feel like I need a martini in this outfit. But do I feel like standing up in church, giving a reading and celebrating my brother's marriage in it? Okay, look number 2 is with the new shirt. So this shirt is clearly designed to be worn, done up so the lapels sit straight down, but I want to be showing off my pendant. So I've gone with the same trousers and belts. I picked up Miss Prada for a little bit of sparkle, and I'm also wearing those Geiger slip-ons with the eyes. I kind of like this as a kind of more relaxed, chic kind of look. What do we think? Really, really, really love the cuffs on these. Not so sure about the pulling on the shirt, but that's something that I deal with pretty much every shirt. I just need to keep an eye on it. Love the fact that it's a little bit more fitted than my plain shirts. I could wear my Modern Rarity tuxedo jacket over the top, just have it over my shoulders, or I could have it on fully and then have these gorgeous cuffs just showing. Kind of feel like I should be in a casino somewhere in this get-up, so maybe this may not be the look. Okay, I think the pink jacket tones down the kind of whole evening, just come back from a ball, now hit the casino kind of vibe, but I'm not sure I like it up against these shirts, this colour combination. I think the colours work, but I just think it's the wrong clothing combination, if that makes sense. I'm going to try this on with some pink trousers in a minute. I've got my Fendi mini baguette, but I thought also these colours work really, really well with this. I don't need to carry much on the day. Bit of lippy, my room key. We're staying at the venue, so, oh, and I've got my pink collar breeze on for this one. Yeah, I think the pink jacket jars too much with the shirt. This was my first combination that I thought I'd roll out little Miss Louis for, but again, with the jacket, it's just too much. Looks great against the black trousers, but just not with this jacket and shirt combo. So I'm in my favourite pink shirt, and I've got pink Louis. This is much more of a sort of bluey kind of purpley pink, and this is a much more sort of warm golden pink. So we'll see how that goes together, wearing the same trousers and the same pink collar breeze. So with this combination, I may not wear a jacket, or just wear it like this, just like this. And because it is November, I'll be wearing an overcoat anyway, so I'll probably wear my dark pink fuchsia wool jacket. It comes to about here, about almost knee length. So what do we think of this combination? Very simple, kind of block colours. I think the block colours mean that I can get away with crazier colours or crazier accessories. The bag looks great with the shoes. Really, really, truly looks great with the shoes. Next option is the same, basically the same outfit, but with my purple shirt, my lilac shirt, and my beautiful purple peekaboo. Still keeping the same collar breeze, smart. Is it party wear? Probably not. Will I feel comfortable in it because it's trousers? Yes. I mean, I do feel like I would absolutely smash it in a board meeting in this outfit. Purple shirt, but with pink Miss Louis. How about that as a combination? we could ditch the black altogether and just go with these two colours. These are my wide leg M&S, they're sort of crepe trousers. They're a little bit sporty with the tie waist and the wide leg and the little seam down the front. You will see this in all of my videos, these trousers, because I'm wearing them in the little intro cutaway thing. But this gets me away from black, and I could wear either Miss Peekaboo or Miss Louis. Does feel a little more casual though. Okay, I already don't like this combo, regardless of which bag I go for. It's the styles. You've got the sporty style of the trousers, and then the really kind of grown-up evening kind of casino. It's my casino shirt. This is the casino. Now, I know the lion said no sequins until the after party, but I thought I'd try this combo, and I kind of like it. Again, same with the collar breeze. I think it's fun, it's dressy, it's eventy, it's a little bit unexpected. And moving on to a couple of frocks now, which you probably more associate with wedding guest vibes. This is my Somerset by Alice Temperley, before something went wrong with the brand and it all went a little bit poor quality. This is a very dark kind of fuchsia dress. I wore this as one of my Barbie core dress-ups. I've got this on with one pink collarbree and one dark black and brown collarbree, because despite the fact I could go all pink, I actually think I like the contrast with the darker shoe a little bit better. And then I can contrast the bag as well against the dress. There you go. What do you think? And then to stop it from feeling too girly, too kind of wedding guesty, I could always put on my asymmetrical tuxedo. Oh look, I found my little armbands. Asymmetrical tuxedo over the top of it. Frock is definitely more wedding friendly. Let's try the next one on. I'm rolling out an Old Faithful in this. This is a Preen Studio by Preen dress that I've had for donkey's years. I wore this dress on my birthday in 2019 when I went and did the absolutely massive shopping experience with the line in London. I'll have that video linked down below. Well, the video of the unboxing, because it was like nothing I'd ever done before. But it is this kind of big sleeved, floaty, floral, but on a black background. There you go, you can see it's a little bit see-through there. So I always wear, it's like a long vest top underneath. You can see how long that is there. So it covers everything. And I am really, really mindful of the fact that it's supposed to rain all day. It is a lovely floaty frock, isn't it? I do love it. I'm mindful of it potentially raining all day, so I'm thinking about throwing my Vivaia shoes into the mix, because these are made from recycled plastic bottles, so they should stand up really well to the rain. Wondering about combination, pink shoes, dress, maybe my Ted Baker bag. I can crossbody this, or I can hold it like this and it'll be totally fine in the rain. Also thinking about clashing my pink shoes with my red, this is my scarlet Louis Vuitton Pochette Felicie, because with the chain strap I can actually wear this. I can tuck the chain strap in, no problem, can't close it. I can actually tuck the chain strap in on this bag and carry it as a clutch. But when we're outside, I can crossbody it and have it under my coat. So that's another option. I do very much enjoy the pop of pink from Ms. Louis against the black frock. I think that looks really good. Lovely contrast. And lastly, I'm looking at my Mulberry Lily, because of the colours in the dress go really, 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 really well with Miss Lily. and I'm not too worried if she gets a little bit damp. The sun's trying to come out now, yay! And I can also crossbody this one under my coat. I did also consider my Toblerone to pick up the yellow in my dress and to give it an extra pop. Pink shoes, Toblerone. It is quite big and unwieldy, but I will have plenty of room in there for an umbrella and things if I need them. I think this exercise is just making me more and more confused about what to go for. Okay, I'm a little bit shocked and stunned. This is probably my favourite combination so far, and it is by far the simplest combination. It is this dress. It's a kimono type style dress by Kin at John Lewis. It's got pockets. I've had this dress for years. It is kind of kimono, kind of kaftan style, but it's got this dipped hem at the bottom. It is higher at the front, you can see there, and then it's lower at the back. And I picked it out purely because it was a green colour and I thought it would go nicely with the pink, and it really, really does. So I've got Ms. Louis here, and I've got my pink collar breeze, and I feel very light and I feel very cool, like I'm not going to overheat. And I'm really surprised at how kind of chic I feel it looks as a combination. If I was wearing flats with this, I'd probably look like I was just knocking around the house. Now, I could belt it, give it a bit more interest, but I am apple shaped, and belting a dress like this never ever works. If I was more hourglass, then absolutely, but no, because that's where my tummy is, that's where my boobs are, so yeah, it's just a no from me. So yes, I'm very surprised. I know that pink and green goes well together, but I'm surprised at this combination and how I feel in it. I just feel green and pink combo. Fun, flashy little bag, glass of champagne, comfort, style. So what this whole exercise has shown me is that the pieces that I thought would work brilliantly together, my new shirt with other pieces, actually don't. They don't work together at all. A frock is probably the most appropriate thing to wear. I'm going to edit this together and see what I think of these outfits as I edit them together. Completely stole this idea from Sophie Chohet. She does this all the time. Every time she gets some new clothes, she tries them on camera, she checks herself out while she's doing the editing to see what she thinks, and she gets the feedback from her viewers. So that's what I am hoping for from you guys. Please let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. Winter wedding. Actually, not winter wedding, because we've got no snow. We've got there's none of that sort of crisp but cold sunny days. It's just cold and wet at the moment. It's just rain. I checked the forecast. There is a 97% chance of rain on the day. So I'm going to need something I can carry my brolly in. Anyway, let me know what you think down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, but you like this kind of thing, and you've watched a few of my videos now, there's a few of you out there, go on, hit subscribe now and show the video the thumbs up love, because you're clearly enjoying it, so why not sign up for more? And yeah, desperately excited to see what you guys say. Let me know in the comment section down below, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for your next video, my next video, wow. Please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!